Good morning, class 7th. So today we start the revision video of environment, okay, in geography first chapter. And in this chapter we learn what is environment, components of environment also, okay, and we learn abiotic, hope you understand, okay, the word living organism and the abiotic means who are not non-living, okay, and we learn about atmosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, and hydrosphere. Then we can learn, then we learn that time components of environment human made. Okay, they are the buildings, parks, bridges, roads, monuments, industries. They all are related to the which one? That is called human made environment. Okay. So natural environment means we have lithosphere, biosphere, atmosphere, and combinedly we can say biosphere. Okay, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and lithosphere, that is combined called biosphere. Okay. Then we learn the part of human also, human individual also, family also, community, religion, then educational institutions we can say, economic we can say, and political status also we can say, okay, a political situation you can say, okay. And we learn in this chapter the natural environment, and which is called the origin word you can say, environment related to which one, the word environor, yeah, environor means neighborhoods, means in our neighboring, that is called our environment, okay. Look at your surrounding, make a list of uses that the land in your neighborhood is being put out. So it's your work. I hope you have done in activity. So land, water, air, plants and animals comprise the natural environment. You are familiar with the meaning of lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. So now we learn about the lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth, that is called lithosphere. Second one, it is made up of rocks and minerals, okay, and covered by a thin layer of the soil. So soil, where is soil? In the lithosphere area. It is in the irregular surface, that is the irregular surface. Why? When we can see in our surrounding area, so some areas like this one and some areas very big one, okay. Means plains area also we have, little bit plateau area we have, and the peaks also we have. So that is called lithosphere. All over the lithosphere you can see here too easily, okay. Here is lithosphere also, and they all are the part of the lithosphere too, okay. Mountainous area also in lithosphere. Now landforms are found from the continents and also the ocean floor, on the ocean floor too, okay. So where is the ocean floor? That is the ocean, and we can say it is called ocean floor, groundwater, yeah, you can say the ground level of that ocean. Now lithosphere is the domain that provides us forests, grassland for grazing, land for agriculture and human settlements. It is also a secure, a source of the minerals wealth, okay. All the mines are located here. The domain of water is referred to the hydrosphere. Which one is called hydrosphere? The domain of water, okay. So you can easily see here, that is called hydrosphere, domain of water, okay. And river also the part of that one, lake also the part of that one, okay. And springs also, waterfall also, all are the part of hydrosphere. River, lake, seas, oceans, etc., it is essential for the all living organism. Without water we cannot survive, okay, you all know. Now the atmosphere is the thin layer of the air that is surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth hold the atmosphere around it provides us from harmful rays, okay, and scorching heat of the sun, that is called atmosphere, okay. So here is sun, and here we are, and the rays came here, and that is the protective layer we can say, okay. Which one protected us? That is called atmosphere. Without that, if the layer is not there, so we are having some skin disease, you can say. Okay, and it considers number of the gases, dust, water, and vapor. The changes in the atmosphere produce change in the weather and climate. So atmosphere produces changes in the weather and climate. Where is the clouds? In the atmosphere area, you can see. Plant and animals kingdoms together make biosphere of living world. That is called the living world. Okay, that is the living world. You all know about that one. All the living things is there. Okay, deer, cow, yeah, you can see duck, yeah, you can see the lily, yeah, the lotus, and grass also here, trees also here, waterfalls also here. They all are the living things. It is a narrow zone to the earth where land, water, and air interact with each other to the support life. Okay, they all are the supported life. What is an ecosystem now? A very big question is there. At NCC camp, that one conversation also here. Okay, we are not going there. But what is the main point of that one? The main point is NCC camp attending JC explained what a heavy downpour it reminds me my home in the Kerala. Okay, in Kerala in southern. The firstly we can say here the monsoon came here, and in India first time the rain yeah, you can say rain was having here, and the very downpour. Okay, मूसलाधार बारिश हम जिसे कहते हैं वो होती है. ठीक है. Now one more point is there. Hira from the Jaisalmer explained we get no rains, we see only the kicker and sand as far as the eye on sea. What he say? We see only the kicker. Kicker, a type of vegetation, you can say the thorny bushes, that is called the kicker. Okay, and sand dunes, that is the sand dunes which are not permanent. Okay, not like a mountain, but it is a small mountain, you can say, made by sand. Okay, and they are not permanent. Okay, when the winds coming, and there the shape also changed day by day, daily, you can say. Okay, so that is the conversation between them. Now just camels, if you have visit your desert, you will see snakes, lizards, and many insects too. So there also one conversation in the kicker, and but also camels said Ravi also said here we can found camels also. Okay, in India we can found camels in Rajasthan area also, but in Ladakh area also we can find out in the other countries, we can say, just like in Mongolia, China. Okay, so that areas also very favorable for the camels. Okay, not just camel. If you visit your desert, you will see snake, lizards, and many insect too. Ravi wondered why do the animals, the vegetation, and way people live vary from the place to place? Are they all related to each other? So, oh yes, very much so, the teacher replied. So the little bit conversation whenever gone there, and teacher also interrupted that. So yes, they are interact with each other. Okay, all plants, animals, and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings. Often they are also interdependent on each other. The relation between the living organism as well as the relation between the organism and their surroundings form an ecosystem. That could be an ecosystem of the large rainforest, grassland, deserts, mountain, lake, river, ocean, and even a small pond. That is also you can say that is also a part of our ecosystem. Okay, so do you think the park is with Ravi and his friends played from ecosystem? Yes, they are also the ecosystem. Okay, that conversation I have not mentioned here. Now human interact with the environment and modify it is according to their need. Early human adapt themselves to the natural surroundings. They led the simple life and fulfilled their requirement from the natural around them. So earlier, at first, what he have done, he adopted the natural environment. Okay, उसने पहले अपने आप को इसके अनुकूल ढाला, जैसे गर्मी लगती है, सर्दी लगती है. ठीक है, और फिर उसके बाद वो धीरे धीरे सीखता रहा. फिर बाकी जो कमोडिटीज़ थी उनको उसने अपने तरीके से हैंडल करना स्टार्ट किया. विद द नीड्स ग्रू and the changes environment, they learn to grow crops, important things. Okay, when they know about how to crops, domesticate the animals, led a settled life. They built buildings, you can say, the big one. Okay, Earlier he also live in the pit house. We learn in history too. Burj Home also known as we are very famous for the pit house. Okay, in the megalith area, at the megalith time they live in the pit houses. Okay, here is the entry and here they can live. Nowadays they can build the big storage, we can say the fashionable storage also. Yeah, big buildings, big mega structures they have made. Okay, whatever they have need they have done. Now we can reach in sun too, because our need is there. Okay, we discover all the planets. Yeah, the human being discovered all the way how to reach there. They establish satellite too in ocean, what we can say in exosphere, yeah, you can say in space, and in ocean they know everything about the deepest point of, yeah, you can say they establish the sonar there also. Okay, so everything is going on their needs. Surplus food was produced, barter system emerged. The barter system also I mentioned earlier. If you have rice, we can change with wheat in earlier. Okay, but nowadays the price is different from the each other, so that's why the importance of the commodities is increased now day by day. But earlier they don't know about what is the price. Okay, so that's why they are you can say exchange their goods to each other from their need. Okay, suppose I need a wheat, so I exchange with rice if I have a rice. Okay, so transportation become industrial revolution enabled large scale production. Transportation became faster. Information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. So now we can say easily we can communicate each other in any part of the world. Okay, in space also. Okay, have you ever through the why you love eating a juicy watermelon in the summer and hot roasted peanuts in the winter? A perfect balance is necessary between the natural and human environment. Human must learn to live and use their environment in the harmonious way. Okay, so we all know now we are we are not a learner. We already know about which is good for our health and in which season we can eat and which is not favorable for us, so we are not use it. Okay, so it's a depend on the weather condition, yeah, you can say the environment also. Okay, such type of environments we are facing. Okay, whenever we can move to any marriage ceremony, so our mood also like change. Because why? Because there also the music is running there and some are dancing there. Okay, and there will be where the peoples wear new clothes and the atmosphere is created very sur saraba, you can say very noisy there. Okay, so that is the atmosphere also. And whenever we move to a school, so everywhere is the peace there. Okay, and everywhere is the you can say the noise is not coming. Yeah, sometimes whenever the teacher is not there, so they are increasing their voice too. Okay, so that is the totally day we talk about the atmosphere. Okay, and then environment also. Noori, a girl from the Mirzapur from her Ravi class, often talks about the green sounding of her place. Seeing Ravi upset they having his playground, so Ravi also upset related to about that one, because only one ground is there and they in that ground peoples have, yeah, you can say publicly it is not there now. And some builders create their yeah, they use their playgrounds for a multinational yeah, multiple, yeah, you can say multiple, yeah, multinational stories buildings they can build up there. So that is the very not a good news for the Ravis and other one. Okay, so I hope you understand this chapter. I hope so about that one. Thank you very much.